Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host. And this is Baby Salmon and he's my cat. I usually just call him Baby. And this is his Kitnip box, which is his monthly subscription box that he gets from Kitnip. I will be including a link to Kitnip in the description below, and we actually ordered ours from Amazon. Okay, so you can also find it on Amazon. But instead of having a mystery box Monday, because I'm not gonna have any more mystery box Monday until next Monday at the start of the year, we are gonna be opening Baby's mystery box and see what kinds of goodies he got from Kitnip. So we are going to start right now. So I have some non-craft scissors here, and just got to kind of get this open here so we can give Baby all of his goodies. All right. So this Kitnip box, it says thank you on there. You guys can see that. And it says, we hope you enjoy your Merry Christmas, Merry Catmas, sorry. Themed Kitnip box. A portion of our proceeds is donated to animal welfare causes. Thank you for supporting kitties in need with each box. So he is going to have a very meowy Catmas in just a minute. So you want to open it up? Are you ready, baby? He is ready. So let's open this up and see what it is. It always comes in this box with some tissue paper and a little sticker here. Oh boy, look at all of this good stuff here. Oh look, he got a Christmas mouse. So let me go ahead and take this out and I will hold it up so you guys can see it. Baby likes it. Oh yeah, you want to put your scent on it? We'll put your scent on it really soon. Okay, so here's his little Christmas mouse that he got. I'm holding it upside down. So this is his little Christmas mouse. Baby, do you like your Christmas mouse? You want to play with your Christmas mouse? He's so excited. Baby, do you like it? Oh, look at this. This is Catmas candy. So, let's get some feathers. He loves feathers. Baby likes birds more than he likes mice. If he has to pick between the two, he loves looking out the window at his favorite bird feeders. So yeah, he's gonna love this. Baby Simon, look. Baby, look. Oh, he likes that. And then we have a Rowdy Reindeer. All right, and I'm sure that most of these are filled with catnip. Yeah, 100% catnip filling. So if he's acting a little bit weird, that's why. So, and that's his little reindeer. Do you like your reindeer? Yeah. What about this one? Oh, look at those feathers. You like them? So he also has a chimney kicker. And of course, these are good for cats to hold and then kick with their back feet. I'm sure you guys have seen cats do that. So here is his chimney kicker. You like that? Yeah, there you go. Oh boy. This is going to be awesome. He loves dangler cat toys, and this is going to be no exception. Let me take this out, and then I'll show you how it works, because it works in a really cool way. Yeah, he knows what this is. He's excited because he knows where this goes. He's a really smart cat. He's going to know exactly how this goes. So here's how these work. I had some more to cut here on each edges. So he's gotten, I believe, 2 so far from Kitnip. But what these do is that you take them and let me see if I can figure out how to unravel these. I'm going to ask Greg to help me. Greg, can you figure out how to unravel that? Okay, so while he's doing that, oh no, they found out about what you did to my yarn. He might have done something a little bit naughty with my yarn one day. So he got a bag of coal. I'm sure the coal is filled with catnip, though. He has been a naughty kitty, but mostly a very, very good kitty. So he has got his bag of coal here. Look at baby. He's wanting to go off camera to check that other stuff out. And he got some chicken and cranberry recipe Kittles to play with as well. And these are his cat treats. He knows. He can probably smell these from miles away. Don't you? You know these are yours, don't you? Let's see if he likes them. Okay, baby. You want some treats? Here's your treats. Oh, he is purring. So he's eating that. He likes it. It is baby approved. He loves those treats. Do you like those treats? I think Greg got this taken care of now. So anyway, how this works is that you take this right here and you put it on top of your doorway, like where the door opens at the very top, and then this thing hangs down. All right? And then he can play with it. And when he's playing with it, sometimes he'll like try to walk away with it, but this will prevent it from coming down, this right here. And because this prevents it from coming down, it'll start bouncing and like going up and all the way around. And he loves playing with these. Don't you, baby? Don't you love playing with these? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. All right, baby. Did you enjoy your kitnip box this month? Did you enjoy it? I'm sure he did. Anyway, I wanted to say a meowie catmiss to all of you guys, and I hope you had a good one. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.